Okay, in this problem, we have a woman that is traveling with a wolf, a goose, and a mouse, and she must cross a river in a boat that will only hold herself and one other animal. If left to themselves, the wolf would eat the goose, and the goose will eat the mouse. So how many crossings are required to get all four creatures across the river alive? Okay, so as I'm reading this, one thing I'm noticing is that this goose is important because either something's going to eat it or it's going to eat something else. So I'm very much a visual person, so I'm going to just draw a little sketch here. So we'll say this is one shore that has the wolf, the goose, and the mouse. And this is where they want to go to. This is the other side of the river. Okay, so when she can't leave the goose with either one of the other two, so the first step is to move the goose out of the way. So she's going to start with the goose and go across the river and place the goose here. Then she's going to go back and get one of the other creatures. Maybe she goes back to get the mouse. Okay, so then she picks up the mouse and moves the mouse to the other side. So now the mouse is over here. But she can't leave this time and go back and get the wolf without taking the goose, because if she does, then the goose will eat the mouse. So let's see if we can change this a little bit. So in this time, she's going to take the goose back across the river with her, and then she's going to pick up the wolf and move the wolf to the other side. So now the only thing that's on the other side is the wolf and the mouse. So now she's got to go back and pick up the goose and bring the goose back to the other side. So then what I want to do is count how many times these crossings were done. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer to a problem is 7 crossings. I hope this has helped.